In this video, we will discuss for-of loop, which we use with an array. Array sets map, any string which is returning an array in the end, we can use it with that also. First, we will see how we use simple for loop with array and why did we require for-of loop. Here I have let ranks a variable of ABC. I have applied a condition on it, initialized a variable of I, that is 0. I is less than equal to ranks.length. What does dot length do? It tells the total length of array and through document.write it prints rank of I. In rank of 0, A will go. There will be an increment in I. Then in 1, B will come. Again an increment in I, so C will get 2. Then 3 is less than 3. It's false, then it will come out of loop. Whenever we will access any array with square brackets, we will give its index. These are in index, it will print 0, 2 from index. If I see this, it has printed ABC. If I want to write the index, I will write as I plus, then index will be added with it. If I refresh this, then at 0 it's A, 1 it's B, and at 2 it's C. This is quite a lengthy task. If I do this with for-of loop, I will write for, I will take any word here. Let's suppose const, rank, then keyword of, then we will write ranks. I will copy. I don't have index, which I will put myself. I don't have to put these square brackets. I have simply written rank, so rank will come in this. I will put another breakpoint for line break and will save this. Let's see here, A, B, C has been printed here. It's very simple. I didn't have to apply full loop, didn't have to do increment. It calculated automatically and gave me the ranks A, B, C. If I want to calculate its index the way I did above, I will do let I equal to 0 because my index always starts with 0. I will write I plus and concatenate. Again increment. We have to store index in a separate variable. We can't do index together. If I will see, it will be printed same as above. We discussed for-of loop in this video. We declare a variable, then of. Then give the name of array. Then with document.write we write the array. It prints in the same way like for loop. For loop is a bit difficult. In JavaScript, especially for-of loop is introduced for array, sets, map and strings which return array.